Instructions on how to swap out the fluid on your Zippo, how to refill it or how to fill it for the first time. What you'll need: a Zippo, some fluid, preferably the branded fluid, something pokey like a pencil or a pen, or I'm going to use this knife in order to raise up the cotton, a towel, and something to catch the extra fluid while you're filling. Let's take this lighter and let's take a look at it here. Pretty straightforward. Everybody knows how to use a Zippo, right? What happens when it runs out of fluid? Well, let's take this out and let's take a look at the way that it's built. It's got the windscreen up here, the flint goes in here, right down here, and we've got a little pad underneath that absorbs all of the fluid. And it says right there, lift to fill. Well, let's take a look at this. Am I going to open that? Let's do it this way. There we go. Let's pop this up. And now we've got a little piece of padding underneath. I'm actually going to take a small glass and place it underneath so that if there's any drip, it doesn't get all over my table and it doesn't create any kind of a fire hazard. I'll pop this open and prop it. Open this guy up right here and squirt a little bit in. Yeah, I dripped a little bit there. Enough to get it good and wet, but don't overdo it. Don't want to create a fire hazard. Tuck that back down. Give it a wipe with a towel. And then place the towel and the glass off to the side so you're not creating any kind of a fire hazard. Slide that right back in. Make sure the flopper is open, although I guess that doesn't matter that much, and close it. Shake it a little, maybe hold it upside down a bit, although I don't know how important that is, and you should be able to go. Everybody's happy. Please like and please comment. Have a great day.